Awesome new home on cul-de-sac lot in Brittney Trace subdivision. This is same floor plan as the model home/sales office Vickery plan. Hurry to select your colors. This is a 3-bedroom with finished flex/4th bedroom, 2-bath and 2-car garage home. Vaulted ceilings in family room, breakfast area, master bedroom and master bath. Fireplace in family room and outside on game day porch. Great for entertaining. Master bedroom has walk-in closet, master bath has double vanity, garden tub and separate oversized shower. This is a quality built new home by Castle Home Builders and comes with a 10-year warranty. USDA territory. Stock photos.